We're going to review the top 5 best sliding glass door handles, that you can choose the right one for your purpose. Number 1. Primeline Product C1113. Designed for exterior use, the Primeline Product C1113 measures 7 to 1/4 of an inch from top to bottom. With its 6 possible hole spacing patterns, it is likely to fit most doors, although it wasn't made to work with flush mount locking hardware. The 3 to 15/16 of an inch hole centers work with other universal type door handles. This patio door outside pull is constructed of die-cast and comes in a white painted finish. Number 2. National Patio Set. The National Patio Set is a good choice for replacing old hardware, as it fits easily on most doors from the 1970s on. Its wood and metal construction is fairly sturdy, and it locks with the included key to give you a little peace of mind. Replacement patio door handle latch set. 3-15/16 hole spacing. Zinc die cast with wood handle. Includes key for locking mechanism. Number 3. Primeline Product C1033. The Primeline Product C1033 is a handy choice for those who need to replace a damaged flush mount handle. It offers a cylinder lock complete with 2 keys, so there's nothing else to buy, and it even arrives with 4 hooks of varying. This handle set is used to replace damaged or missing flush mount, hook-style handle sets on 1 in to 1-1/8 in thick sliding glass doors. Number 4. Primeline Product C1225. This Primeline Product C1225 has no sharp edges and a nearly 2-inch projection, so it will accommodate even the largest hands. Although this handle isn't keyed, its maker offers components for separate purchase that allow you to convert it into one that is non-keyed. The exterior die-cast pull comes non-keyed. Primeline Products does manufacture other components that can convert this set to a keyed locking handle set. Complements your white sliding patio door. This mortise hook-style door handle is constructed of white painted die-cast materials, making it the perfect choice for your white sliding door. For thick doors, order E2576 latch lever. Number 5. SlideCo pull. You'd be hard-pressed to find a model much more simple than this SlideCo pull, which provides plain styling as well as easy screw and mounting. It was designed for use with flush mount locks, and sports a polished chrome finish. This deluxe sliding door pull handle is constructed from die-cast and finished in polished chrome. It features 6 to 5/8 of an inch hole centers. It's designed to be used on flush-style locks.